Hello everyone. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to install Mozilla Firefox on your MacBook M1 chip. So what you need to do is just open your browser or any installed browser on your uh, machine and search for Mozilla Firefox on your search engine. So I'll be using Google. Then just search for Firefox and you will be having this result. So just click on this one. Usually it is the first link, and then just click download Mozilla Firefox. So it will automatically download the installer for your operating system. So if you're using Windows, it will also automatically download the .exe format. Since this is Mac, it will download the .dmg format. Just wait for it to be finished. So this will depend on your internet speed. And then once done, you can just open it in your downloads folder and double click the installer, and you will be having this window, and just drag, you just click Firefox open, or you need to drag it like this one. Then with that, open existing, then there you have it. So this is your Mozilla Firefox browser. And then if you check it here on your launchpad, you will see that the Firefox is already here. And then that's it. You can now start using your Mozilla Firefox. So if you're using um, Firefox, you can create an account, or if you already have, you can log in, and it will automatically sync the bookmarks that you have. So let's see here. So here's the sign in. So click sign in, and then just type in your email here. Then it will ask for your password. And then once you have entered the correct username password, it will send you a 6-digit code in your email, or the email that you are using, and just you need to type it here. So for me, I will open it on my phone, and I'll type in the code, and just click continue, and then that's it. So once the Firefox is already connected, you'll see this one, and you can allow notification or not here. It's up to you. Then with that, as you can see, all the other extension that I've installed will also be installed in this instance. And there you have it. I have here my bookmarks. So thank you for watching for this video. I hope I helped you if you want to install Firefox as your browser. Uh, good what's good with Firefox, that you can sync your uh, bookmarks, and then any other extensions that you have in your previous machine. And with that, it's very convenient if you need to change different machine. So, or if you have multiple machine also. So that's all, and thank you. So once you are done installing the Firefox, you may now eject this icon on your desktop, so that you can eject the installer itself. So just click eject and it will no longer be on your desktop. So that's all, and thank you very much.